So let's see the problem set 34. See the first question. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Right? All the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Now let's see how to solve it. Have to write the prime numbers between 1 and 20. But we know 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now 2, yes. 3, yes. 4, no, because 4 have the more than 2 factor. Then 5, yes, 5 have only 2 factor. Prime number means what? A number which have only 2 factor. 1 and that number itself. These numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, understood everyone? Prime number means what? A number which has only 2 factor. 1 and that number itself. Now 6 also have the more than 2 factor. 7, yes. 8 have the more factor. 9 also have more factor. 10, yes. 11 is a prime number which have only 2 factor. 12 also have many factor. Then 13 is also a prime number which have only 2 factor. 14, it is also composite number because it have many factor. 15 also. 16 also has many factor. Then 17 is a prime number. 18 also have many factor. Then 19, yes. In between 1 to 20 we have to write the prime number. So which are the prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers. Understood everyone? Okay, now let's see the next question. Now the second question is C. Write all the composite number between 21 and 50. Write all the composite number between 21 and 50. Now we have to write the composite numbers. Okay, now we have to write the composite numbers. So let's see how to solve it. So now we have to write the composite numbers between 21 to 50. So composite numbers, we have to start with 21. Composite number means what? A number which has more than 2 factors. Composite number means what? A number which has more than 2 factors. So 21. As 21 is present in 3 table, again 7 table. So 21 is a composite number. Now 22, yes, 22 also present in 2 table, 11 table. So 22 also composite number. Now 23, is it 23 is present in any table? Yes, is it 23 is present in any table? No. So 23 is not present in any table means the factor of 23 is 1 and 23 only. So 23 is a prime number, not a composite number. Then 24, yes, 24 is present in 3 table, 4 table, 6 table. In 12 table also 24 is there. So 24 is a composite number. 25 also, yes. Just in last video we have seen the factors of 25. It have more factor. Then 26 also, yes, 26 also present in many tables. 27 also, yes, 27 also present in 3 table, 9 table. So 27 also composite number. Then 28, yes. 29, is it 29 is present in any table? Yes, check it everyone. Is it 29 is present in any table? No. So 29 is a prime number. Now 30, yes. 30 is also present in many table. That is 5 table is there, 6 table is there, 3 table is there. Okay, then 31. Is it 31 is present in any table? No. 32, yes. In many table 32 is present. 33 also present in many, in 11 table is there. Okay, 34, yes. 34 also present in many table. Then 35, yes, in 5 table, 7 table, 35 is there. 36, yes, in 6 table 36 is there. In 12 table 36 is there. Then 37, is it 37 is present in any table? No. So 37 is a prime number. Then 38 is present in many table. 39 also. In 13 table 39 is present. Yes or no? Check it everyone. Is it 39 is present in 13 table? Yes. Then next one 40. 40 also present in many table, so it has many factor. Then 41, is it 41 is present in any table? Check it everyone. No. So 41 is a prime number. Then 42 is present in many table. Then 43 also, is it 43 is present in any table? No, 43 is not present in any table, so it is a prime number. Then 44, it is also present in composite number. Then 45 also composite. 46 also present in many table. 47, is it 47 present in any table? No, so 47 is a prime number, but 48 is a composite number. 49, yes, in 7 table 49 is there. Then 50 also present in many tables. So these are the composite number which are present between 21 to 50. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Now see the third question. Circle the prime numbers in the list given below. There some numbers are there given. So from that we have to find out which are the prime numbers, and for that number we have to circle it. Okay. So let's see how to solve. Let's see the third question. Circle the prime number in the list given below. Here some numbers are there. From that we have to check the prime number. Now 22. Now first, prime number means what? A number which has only two factor. A number which has only two factor, that is 1 and that number itself. 1 and that number itself. These numbers are called prime number. So now 22. Is it 22 is a prime number? Yes, 22 is present in 11 table also, and 22 table, 1 table, in 2 table also 22 is there. So 22 is not a prime number. Now 37. Is it 37 is present in any table? Yes, check it everyone. Is it 37 is present in any table? No. So 37 is not present in any table. Means what? 37 is a prime number which has only two factor, 1 and that number itself. So we have to circle it. Okay, then 43 is present in any table? Yes, check it everyone in tables. No. So 43 is also prime number. 48, yes. 48 is present in many table. It is divisible by 4 also. In 6 table is also 48 is there. In 12 table also 48 is there. So 48 is not a prime number. Then 53, check it. Is it 53 is present in any table? No. So 53 is also prime number. 60 is present in many table. 6 table is there. 15 table is there. Okay. 30 table is there. So 60 is not prime number. 91 also present in many table. 57 also present in tables also. Okay. Then 57 also present in 57 is present in 19 table. Then 59, is it 59 is present in any table? No. So 59 is a prime number. 77 is present in many tables. Then 79 is not present in any table, so it is a prime number. 97 also not present in any table, so 97 also a prime number. So these are the prime numbers in the given list. Okay. Now see the fourth question. Which of the prime numbers are even number? Means a number is there which are prime also and even also. Which are prime and even numbers. Yes, everyone think it. Which are the number which are the prime and even numbers? So which of the prime number are even number? So one number is there which are prime and it is also even number. So which it is? 2 is the number. 2 is the only prime number which is even. Okay, so 2 is the only prime number which is even. Okay. So this is all about the today's part. Today we have studied about the prime number and composite number, and based on that problem set 34 is there. So all questions we have completed from problem set 34. So everyone complete your CW with problem set 34. Okay. Thank you.